morning, y'all. Alright, today we are trying something new. I call this a shaken espresso. Foamy milk goes in here, and then this is our espresso shaker cup. Take the coffee, pour it right over your ice, then pretend like you're the best bartender, like your life depends on it. And what you're left with is this amazing coffee foam. You know, I actually think I'm gonna foam some of my creamer in there too. And you're gonna pour that beauty right in there. That is incredible. Hey babes, what is up? It's Haley and welcome back to my channel. Wow, this is my new absolute favorite way to make coffee. I know that it is super light, but it's only because I have a double espresso shot in here, so it's actually pretty strong. We are post-Passover, post-sickness. The entire family got sick last week. We literally had fever, chills, and it was like taking turns. It was me and then Aliyah and then Errands and then Naomi. Thank God we are all finally feeling fine. I'm gonna take you along with me on today's errands, starting with getting my hair done. My hair color has grown out quite a bit and so have my bangs. I don't yet know exactly what I want to do. I kind of want to ask her for her opinion. I personally really like asking stylists who like this is their job what they would do for me if I didn't show them any inspiration pictures. You would be surprised sometimes that they would tell you certain colors and certain styles may suit you better than you think for yourself. I've got to head out for that in about 45 minutes and oh, perfect timing. I think the UPS truck is here. Eran has already prepared me a couple of like Halo orders that I have to ship for today. Ever since we announced our jewelry collection Halo Mother's Day sale, oh my God, it's been literally selling out so freaking quick. Every day we have at least like 5 to 10 orders to pack, and it's gotten to a point that we're actually almost sold out of so many of the pendants. So here's the funny thing that ended up happening. Last time we went to Canada, I actually gave half of our inventory to my sister and my mom, and I'm like, listen you guys, there's people in Canada who I know want to buy this, so why don't you just keep it for us? And now we got to a point that we are sold out of our inventory here that I needed to call my sister and ask her to overnight me our Halo necklaces and pendants from Canada. So literally right now I think they just dropped it off. Don't mind the mess in the back. Now that we know that we're moving, keeping the house clean has not been a priority anymore. She just brought us the rest of our stock in our inventory. So I'm just gonna pack all of these quickly and drop them off before my appointment. And I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. By the way, if you have purchased a necklace, whether it be because you just genuinely like it or even if it's just to support us, I really hope we didn't guilt trip a lot of you guys being like, listen, we're buying a house, so help us out. But this is truly like the first thing that Eran and I have ever created on our own. And I will say it did take a lot more work than we expected. And I just want to honestly thank you guys from the bottom of my heart. Like Eran and I would not be where we are without you. Like the fact that you're watching our videos, the liking, leaving comments and engaging, all of that stuff is really what keeps this channel alive. So I just wanted to say thank you guys, honestly from the bottom of my heart. I've developed so many relationships with all of you. I recognize your comments, especially the ones who are always commenting. Like I know your names at this point, and I would really love to maybe even do like a meetup one day. I have to figure out how we can coordinate something like that because I know a lot of you guys are from Florida. Maybe we could all do like a thrift trip together. That would be so fun, wouldn't it? Kind of do this in stations. His job is to basically like get all the orders organized and like put everything on the necklace, and then I do all the customizations and all of the wrapping. Yeah. I don't know if you'd be able to do that nicely. All of today's orders are packed up, but thank you guys. Hey guys, I am at my hair appointment. The salon is so cute, and this is Tessa.
Hi.
Tessa, I have no idea what I want to do. All I want to do is that I want a bit of a refresh.
So I think we should kind of work with what we got and just basically bring everything up a bit and add like
small highlights. And everyone's a fan of the bangs, so I think we're gonna keep them. And you're gonna
I think they're adorable and they suit your face so well. So then we'll just refresh these guys too. Anybody else absolutely love getting shampoos in hair salons? It's like the most relaxing thing ever. I love it. It's so cute. Guys, this is so fun. I love it.
Okay, you guys, my appointment ended up running longer than expected, so Erin had to do a lot of the nighttime routine with the girls, and let me just show you what I came home to. Like, okay, okay. But hey, no complaints here. I'm grateful to your Abba. I love your Abba. You know that?
No.
No? What do you mean no? Ale, do you like mommy's hair?
Yeah.
Yeah, it looks pretty. Yeah. I'm almost blonde like you. Mwah. Okay, let's go balik ulam.
Bye.
Have a good day.
Okay.
Dang, 2 drink segments in 1 vlog. What a fun day for you. But it's a few days later. This is the official hair reveal. I don't think you guys saw it since I got it done. Let me just say, my first initial reaction was like, oh my god, what did I just do? Why did I cut my hair and why did I go lighter? Do you guys ever like get a haircut or do something to your hair and then go back to old photos and be like, I don't know if I should have done that? Listen, I absolutely love the color, but at some point I was like, my hair was so long. But I do have to say, this cut is so much more fun. She did an amazing job. Like, it's got so much movement. I feel like with the curtain bangs, it works really well. I'm in a little bit of a weird phase right now where I feel like in my last haircut, I cut too much curtain bangs. So I'm kind of trying to grow out some of the back pieces so that I only really have like a tiny little bit of fringe, you know what I mean? But now that I've had time to sit with it, I'm actually really obsessed with the color. I feel like for summer, it's really nice to like lighten up a few highlights. But comment down below what you guys think of my cut. I think it's fun. I think it's a little bit different. And it's like a nice little reset for the new season, you know what I mean? But anyway, for the rest of today's vlog, you guys see my little fit. How cute is this dress that I've actually thrifted in the past? You may be asking, why am I wearing such a girly dress? Well, for the rest of today's vlog, I'm gonna be taking you guys along with like a little makeover that I want to do in my room. Yesterday, I actually stopped by the at-home store. I'm doing another sponsorship with them on Instagram. You guys know that I do these monthly with them, and they're always presenting me like little challenges and like little things that I can do in my space, and I find it so fun. So they told me for this month, Haley, choose an aesthetic and basically take like a little corner of your space and like decorate it within that aesthetic. You guys know, ever since my thrifting coquette video, I've been absolutely loving everything to do with the coquette and the girly, the frills, the bows, the pink. When I was trying to think of a place in my house that I really wanted to go ahead and make over, I thought of like my bedroom vanity area, you know, where I get ready, where I do my makeup. Right now it's kind of like boring and bland. I love the pieces that I thrifted, but I really want to like decorate it, and obviously when we move into the new house, I'll take it all with me there. I wish I didn't forget my vlog camera. I would have showed you guys everything I picked up at home, but I'm gonna do a quick haul of it right now and show you the amazing home decor that I found, all in this like coquette girly theme. So if you're into the bows, into the frills, into basically a vanity mood board like this, stick around because that's basically what I'm gonna do to my bedroom today. Okay, just because it's been a little while, I thought I would give you a quick refresher as to what my room is looking like. I am literally gonna be bringing everything to the new house exactly as is. So even though we're doing a makeover, it's still gonna apply. We are not gonna be paying attention to my bathroom. That's something we will tackle another day. We've got my little headboard that I actually went ahead and reupholstered myself with the green. My longest living plant, yes, go Haley. The pink curtains that we thrifted, and then of course this whole getting ready section. You guys remember we thrifted this mirror and then painted it gold, and I feel like this is already giving off perfect coquette vibes. I love the roses. It just feels so whimsical and princessy. Right now it's kind of been just chilling like this. I've been getting ready in my bathroom, but I really want to go ahead and make this like a functional makeup table. So I got a new stool, we got some decor. So here's a bunch of the at-home stuff that I got. I don't yet know what I'm keeping and what I'm returning, so you guys are gonna help me decide. But let's start off with the big stuff. I want to show you the bedding that I got. So of course we had to get a few touches of pink for this space because I already have them in my little stool over here, but I wanted to add a few touches to the bed as well. But I noticed within the coquette trend, it's a lot of like little cute dainty florals. I was able to find this sheet set for just $20. It's got the cutest dainty leaves on it, and I think this will be such a nice added bit of texture for the bed, but I have to quickly throw it into the laundry before I put it on the bed. I got this cute plush pink throw blanket, and then this one I definitely felt was super coquette. I love the color as well. The pink and green theme, I'm just still so into it. I really wanted to get myself a tiny rug, so I found this one, which is basically like a bunch of roses that I find so beautiful. I love the blush pink color, and I just think for a makeup vanity table, this texture is so perfect. Like I said, we don't want to just make this place cute, we also want to make it functional. So I got myself a bunch of different organizers, like jewelry organizers, because I want one of the corners of this table to be like a little jewelry station. So for me to put all of my earrings and my necklaces, this organizer would be perfect for that. And then I got these 2 acrylic makeup organizers as well for a lot of my products. But ooh, for the brushes, look look what I got. I found this swan vase, which is literally something that I would have found at a thrift store. Like, how cute is this? I thought it was the perfect size to go ahead and put my large makeup brushes in here. And the shape is just like so perfect. It'll be such a nice little added decor touch. And then I got a bunch of other little decor as well, like candlesticks and candles. And I have a fun DIY project for these that I'm gonna show you in a second. The rug is gonna go under the vanity, and then over top of that, I got myself this little stool. It has that, what is this texture called? I'm planning to go ahead and restain the legs so that they can match the tone of the wood of my desk more, because then I feel like it would be such a seamless match. But let's start decorating it all and I'll take you through. So I was actually able to thrift these amazing, I guess they're placemats maybe. This just so reminds me of something that my grandma used to keep at her house all the time. I mean, this is grandma chic in the best way. So I have two different ones. I have the white and the cream. I'm just trying to decide which one would look better.
So on to the DIY, like I mentioned. What I love with the coquette trend is a lot of like the pictures and the imagery is just so cute, dainty, and feminine. It's really hard to find frames that already have really pretty pictures in them. So I got this pack on Amazon that had a bunch of different prints that you can go ahead and just put into your own frames, and it turns out adorable. Thrifted frames, regular frames, it's just such a great way to add a cute little image in any corner of your room.
I am amazed with how perfect this turned out. I basically just wanted to keep all of like my more luxury makeup over here, all of my jewelry. Also, guys, these organizers are amazing. I always mix up my hoops, so this is perfect to keep it nice and clean. My necklaces also. The Swan Vision turned out so well for all of my face makeup brushes. And you guys remember in a previous vlog, this is the only perfume I own, but the little Miss Dior one is so perfect with the coquette theme. So the only thing left to do right now is I want to go ahead and get some makeup organizers for the drawer over here, and then put my actual everyday face makeup on there. Then at that point, this desk is gonna be ready to go. I mean, just looking in the mirror right now, how cute does this room look? Well, sheets are all clean now and smelling wonderful. So I'm gonna add these to the bed right now. And I also went ahead and picked up these satin pillowcases right now in the most beautiful pink tone. I think that together with this, these pillowcases are gonna work so well. And they come with an eye mask. So if me or Eran, usually Eran, want to go to bed earlier and the other person's like working and needs light, those eye masks will come in handy. I'm obsessed. The bed looks so freaking good. I know it's like a lot of pink, but I love the details. Let me show you more close up. Like, look at how beautiful this bedding is. It works so perfectly with the satin pillowcases too, and then we got some of the accent pillows as well. I mean, to the point that even my iPad cover matches it perfectly with the little eye mask. I'm obsessed. How much do you guys love this pattern? Like, the plant mom in me is thriving. It just matches my little pothos plant so well and works amazing with my curtain duvet already. I don't know, changing your bedding is just so fun. So the pink curtains I already love so much, but I actually thought it would be so cute to take little bows like this, you know, bows that you usually put in your hair, and use them to kind of cinch in the curtains. Like, let me see. I mean, just like that. And I'm gonna do it on the other side too. I mean, what a cute little detail. I even thought adding bows to the vanity like that. Oh yeah, I love that. I'm actually recreating my dream vanity right now. No joke. Comment down below if you guys are watching right now. What do you think of this aesthetic? Is this something that is you, or is it like way too girly to be your style? I'm vibing with it so much. For everything to be like pink and white, it's too much for me. So the way I make it more Haley is adding in like the wood textures, the gold, the green, the plants. That's how it kind of balances it out and it doesn't feel too pink princess. Okay, so moving on, I have this clothing rack right over here. I don't know if you guys even knew, but this is kind of where I put all my stuff whenever I do my thrifting videos. It's kind of like my rack just to keep stuff organized in terms of what I have to film. But I thought for the sake of this video, it'd be really fun to like make it decorative and kind of suit the theme of the room. So I came across these at the at-home store. They are like literally the most perfect hangers for achieving that like coquette style. They had two different colors. I got them both because I just didn't know which one I prefer. I love the look of the ivory ones better, but because my clothing rack is like pure white, I feel like the pure white ones would look better here. It was just $8.99 for the set of 5, which is insane. By the way, you guys, if you are watching and I go ahead and do that Instagram reel, go show it some love because I really love working with At Home. I feel like it allows me to just play around with different decorative styles, and it's just such a fun brand to work with because you know that I love home stuff. I've got 6 hangers, so what I decided to do was just go into my closet and find 6 pieces that just match the color scheme, and in terms of texture will just go really well on this rack as a nice little display. So I'm gonna show you the ones I picked out. To be honest, I feel like the dress that I'm wearing would have been like such a good contender, but I picked up this one, which is literally so stunning. I love this dress so much when I thrifted it. It's always in the back of my closet and I truly need a reminder to wear it more often. So I'm gonna put that right up there. Then I tried to pick up everything like super lacy in my closet. This is a recent thrift find of mine too, but it is the prettiest little white dress as well that has the tie-up detail in the front. And of course I have to turn it into a bow to match the theme. So we've got that one next. I actually think this is one of the dresses I want to have on the rack, but temporarily I'm gonna add this one just to add a nice little pop of pink. It's the same exact shape as the dress that I'm wearing right now. So to add some pink to this rack, just look at how pretty these hangers are. If you have a wedding or anything coming up, you've got to get these. Even for like a bachelorette party, stunning. One of my favorite lace cardigans. I love to wear this shawl over anything that kind of has exposed shoulders if I want to cover up a little bit, or even if I want to add like a dainty feminine touch, then this one is perfect. And just look at that beautiful lace detail. Guys, comment below if you were able to have the freedom to like decorate your house in whatever aesthetic you'd want. What aesthetic would you choose? Because I'd love to know what your personal style is, because I actually really think that in the new room I want to go ahead and decorate every bedroom in like a different aesthetic. I think it'll be so fun. I have a plan for the new bedroom to make the guest room like very coastal, because of the fact that everyone who comes to visit us is from like Toronto or cold areas. So whenever they come to Florida, I want them to literally feel like they're on vacation. So I want to do a very like coastal beachy vibe in the guest room. My room obviously is probably gonna have this vibe. For the girls room, I don't know, I still have to play around with it. Even my new closet, I want to go ahead and make a theme. Pop of green. I actually usually wear this dress paired together with this cardigan and it looks so good together. So that is next. Oh, this is looking so good. And then finally, this is just a temporary one, but it's a cute lace cami that I would wear as like an undershirt for most of my clothes. Okay, come on you guys. The sun is actually setting, but I needed to show you how beautiful the rack looks. I mean, like I said, I'm always constantly using this for my own fashion stuff, but this is just giving me so much inspiration. If I'm doing aesthetic videos in the future, to be able to go ahead and put together an entire rack and put outfits together on this, I love it. And I definitely feel like the hangers is what makes it look so gorgeous. I'm just getting so much inspiration right now. That's it guys. I think this is officially the last makeover that I'm gonna be doing in this house. I hope that you guys like it. I cannot wait to literally pick up every single thing in this room and just take it to my new bedroom. In the new house, we are literally getting the keys in I want to say a week and a half. And then we're gonna start the entire demolition process. So next video is probably gonna be a thrifting video, and then the vlog after that is going to be the empty house tour. So be sure to stay tuned for that. Our new master bedroom, I want to say, is like 2 or 3 times bigger than this one. So there's definitely going to be a lot more space and a lot more opportunity to do stuff. This is truly just the princess room of my dreams. I hope it gave you a little bit of inspiration if you want to add some of this aesthetic into your own home and your own space. But if you are watching up to this point, then you are the real MVPs. We love the ones who stick around all the way till the end. If you are watching up to this point, then comment down below pinks and bows, or if you want, you could just go ahead and add these emojis. Be sure to also comment down below if you're excited to see the entire new house process, because like I said, in the next vlog, that's where we're going to be starting it all. And I just cannot wait to see you in my next one, especially the next one. Love you.